Hello, young explorers. I'm Media Detective, guide in the digital universe. Today, we're setting off on a thrilling adventure called The Power of Smart Sharing. Together, we'll learn to share wisely and keep our online world joyful, safe, and respectful. Are you ready? Let's go. First, let's discover our sharing superpowers. Imagine a friend shared a hilarious cat video. That laughter? That's the magic of sharing. Now, think about something wonderful you can share. A drawing? A fun story? When we share joy, we use our superpowers for good. But beware of oversharing dragons. Sharing a make-believe dragon tale might sound fun, but if it's not true, it could cause confusion or worry. Like superheroes, we must ensure our sharing makes the internet a better place. Oops, too many balloons. That's like oversharing. Fun at first, but they can fly off to unexpected places, causing trouble. Let's keep our digital footprint light and safe by sharing just the right amount. In this library lie the golden rules of smart sharing. Rule 1. Is it kind? Rule 2. Is it true? Rule 3. Is it necessary? With these rules, our sharing can be like waving a magic wand, spreading kindness and truth across the world. Well done, explorers. With the power of smart sharing, we've made the internet a better place. Remember, every click, every share is a chance to spread joy, not confusion. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Until next time, keep sharing wisely.